Hi, Missy here. Welcome back to Code to Create. It has been a while since my last video. Some of you even messaged me, asked me why I have not been posting for so long. To be honest, the pandemic really changed my life so much. My lifestyle changed, the way I work changed, and also I decided to have children. To be honest, it is just really hard to balancing between kids, job, and also another YouTube channel. Well, now I'm back and I know you have clicked on this video. You just want to know what is my thoughts on the latest updates on ChatGPT. Is ChatGPT really going to replace developers' job? In short, I actually think ChatGPT just another productivity tool for developers. They even have a price list for their APIs, which means they actually hope developers are going to use their tools, and that's how they're going to make a profit. As a developer, I experienced many revolutions in developer tools updates. And every time there's an update, a product will require less people to create. You will say, yes, there'll be less developers needed. However, think about the other side of the coin. It is actually easier than before to have a team on your own. Not to mention, as a developer, from my work experience, creating the prototype actually requires the least amount of work. The most amount of time we actually spend on reiterate the design and debugging the applications and make sure it satisfies as many customers as we can. So in short, what AI is able to do right now is more like the functionality of open source, the features more like having a template or having some code hint instead of we going to GitHub to looking for the sample code. The ChatGPT will directly give us the code on their interface. Well, we get better. Of course, I'm pretty sure it will get better. Eventually, their developers will need to change their career focus. And from what I know, a lot of researchers who are already working on AI has already changed their focus on their area of studies. Instead of studying the way how our human languages naturally works, since a ChatGPT clearly is doing it very well, they're starting to research in more niche areas. Of course, I am taking this question to the ChatGPT. Let's see what the AI thinks. Are you going to replace programmers? Well, clearly AI is thinking. It's a long process, to be honest. As an AI language model, I am not designed to replace programmers. Instead, I am created to assist programmers and offer other users in generating natural language text. I can be used to automate some tasks and make programming more efficient by generating code snippets or providing suggestions for code optimizations. However, I do not have the ability to replace human programmers entirely. Programming requires creativity, critical thinking. Okay, thank you. Thank you for saying all the nice things about real humans. Well, here is ChatGPT's answer. At least it's not intended to replace real human for now. Thank you, robot. You're very nice. Thanks for watching. It's really nice to get back to my YouTube channel again and see you in next video. Bye for now.